wanted to show you a fun resource. It's called 99math.com, and it is a great and easy way to get your kiddos engaged with fluency practice first thing to start off your math lesson or even your day. I know sometimes in the RLA classrooms you want a quick change up, and it never hurts to practice some fluency. If you already have kids in your Google Classroom, I would just import them so that once they're already inside of your 99 Math, and then you can go ahead and assign them some individual practice too, just as you find needed. But to import them, you'll just hit classes, and then you'll hit, it'll say add new class, and then you'll just be able to import from your Google Classroom. So what I usually do to start off my math day, the kids get so excited and it helps just get them ready to go. We go to group practice, and depending on what I really want to work with that day, it might be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, or you have a whole variety of other things. Now that we've done a lot with fractions, I might throw that in next week. Just whatever works for you, maybe even money. But as they were just developing and getting used to this, the new system that we're doing first thing, then we were just doing our basic fact fluency. The cool thing is when you click on each of your computation skills, it gives you some of your standard topics that you might select from, or it'll just give you some builders, which is your quick rote fluency. If you click on any of these, it'll show you some example problems, so you can kind of see what you'll expect. If I do add multiples of 100, or with regrouping, if it requires anything that the kids might need to show some work on, I still let them use their whiteboards and whatnot, because I would rather have them practice perfection versus guesswork. You can set your game times for either 3 minutes, where they have a 1 minute round, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. And the 5 minutes is 1.5 minutes. So it really depends on what your time allows for that day. I have yet to do the 10 minutes. I don't honestly, here we are. So that's 2 minutes round, 2 minute rounds, or 2 minute rounds for 5 rounds. Sorry. I don't know if you have a lot of time in your day to implement that. Typically the 3 to 5 is going to be best. When you select a skill to work on, you'll hit play live, and your kids, just if you've done Kahoot, will do a login code. Go to join99math.com or join.99math.com to play. You do have to have a minimum of 3 students to play. And once the kiddos are in there, then you'll be able to go ahead and start the game. And it'll keep track of how many kids you have in there, just so it's a quick and easy for you to see. One thing to consider too, it's great because it provides the kids the opportunity to just warm up, is what they call it on their screen. So as we're waiting on the other ones to log in, instead of them just sitting there and being impatient, it gives them the opportunity of warming up using that same skill. As you finish your rounds after the first round, it'll go ahead and show you where your kids are. So who's in first, second, third, fourth, and fifth place. And then after the second round, it will show you who's the most improved from the first round. And then in your final round, it'll show you still your first place, second place, your honorable mentions, third through fifth. It'll show you your most improved. It'll also show you their accuracy, who has 100% accuracy. So there's a lot of ways to celebrate your kiddos when you're doing the fact fluency like this, or any of the other curriculum skills. And what I like best about it is that you can adjust it to your grade level and be able to accommodate for whatever type of group you have.